us after the ATV ride.
That's a coffee tree.
Yes, we pick when it's red like this.
Oh.
The red one that means ready to pick.
And then it will be roasted.
Not yet. We pick the bean, we dry it. After that, we break down the have seed inside.
Oh,
And then we roast it.
okay. That's so nice. What do you have? Coffee tasting.
Like this.
Yan, so dinala kami ni Kuyang tour guide sa Lumbong Sari House of Luwak Coffee. Tapos, free yan guys ha, yung coffee tasting pati yung mga tea na nandyan. Tapos yung banana chips din, free yan. Nanghingi pa kami kasi nga nagugutom na talaga kami. Pero yung Luwak Coffee may bayad, 50,000 IDR ata yan, I think. Tapos ito yung Bali coffee nila, mapait yan. Tapos next is yung kanilang coconut coffee, yung vanilla coffee nila, tapos yung ginger coffee, tas ginseng coffee. And then yung avocado coffee nila, decaf daw yan according kay Kuya. Ito yung Bali Mochaccino, chocolate. Tapos next nila dyan ay ang kanilang durian coffee. Tapos yung mangosteen tea, isa daw yan sa bestseller nila at good for anti-aging according to Kuya. And then next dyan is ang kanilang ginger tea, lemon tea, and lemongrass tea. Tapos, next dyan is yung kanilang herbal tea na tinatawag. From turmeric yan, guys. And good daw yan for cholesterol and for hypertension. Tapos, next dyan is ang kanilang rosella tea. Sabi ni Kuya, good for diet. Pagkasabi niya palang noon, bumenta na sa akin at parang gusto ko nang bilhin. Sabi niya, drink 1 cup sa morning, tapos 1 cup bago ka matulog. And then the next day, go, grow, go, go. Ang dapat mag-go. So, next is ang kanilang butterfly pea tea to control your sugar. So, ayan, nagustuhan talaga namin ng pinsan ko to. Lalo na yung Luwak Coffee, walang cream, walang sugar, pero ang sarap, hindi siya mapait, guys. Unlike yung Bali Coffee, ang pait talaga nun. Pati yung mga tea nila, sobrang sarap talaga lahat. Pinaka gusto ko dyan yung rosella, hindi lang dahil for diet. Tas gusto ko din yung lemon tea, yung lemongrass, even yung turmeric talaga, sobrang sarap. Hindi namin alam kung anong bibilin talaga namin. Kahit sa coffee, sobrang sarap. Gusto ko din yung coconut, ang sarap talaga nun. Nagpa-cute pa siya talaga naman, kala mo cute. No joke guys, masarap talaga lahat. Pero 3 lang binili namin kasi medyo pricey pala, di namin siya in-expect. So what is Bali trip without their Bali swings? Ang ganda talaga guys ng place. Pero grabe, sobrang nakakatakot. Unang pabitaw sa akin ni Kuya, talagang tumili ako, hindi ko talaga kaya. Pero tiniis ko para sa aking mga turista pics and vid. And in fairness naman sa kanila, ang galing nila mag-extract ng poses mo. And ang galing talaga nila kumuha. Pero hindi ko gets bakit gustong gusto nila tong pose na to. Itong blow a kiss. We're on our way now para mag-dinner, mag-lunch.
Breakfast.
And breakfast. Wala pa kami kinakain.
Say hi. Hi. I like this short. So very nice. Oh, but
Let's go. Gutom na kami guys.
starving.
Wala pa kaming kain, simula pa kanina.
Simula kahapon.
Tapos nagbukbang kami ng kape, tsaka ng tea.
Yeah.
Tama ba yun?
We are so great.
Parang mga nanginginig
But
na
you
kami.
know what they say.
Okay. Bye later. So we ate at Monkey Legend Resto and we tried their babi kebab, their Monkey Legend pizza and a milkshake. And what's nice about it, kasi we were serenaded while eating, so very chill yung vibe ng resto na to. Tapos yung babi kebab nila guys, nasa siyang menudo na kalderetang pinagsama. Weird pero masarap siya. Tapos yung Monkey Legend pizza nila, ang nice din kasi may grilled pork ribs siya. Tapos may filling pa siya sa loob, which is surprising para sa akin kasi parang ngayon lang ako nakita ng ganon. And nag-stroll lang kami saglit and then we went back to our Airbnb.